Welcome back to Science with Greg. Today we're going to be taking apart a water charcoal filter, and the way these work, these kind of look a bit strange. There might be ceramic beads in there. I think the outside might be ceramic. The water goes in through this bit and then it comes out through a hole here. We have a tray for the debris. Oh! Wow! Wait, what is this stuff made of?
Taste it. Does it make your hands black when you do it? It does. Yes, that's charcoal.
So that is charcoal.
Yeah, and it's got a sponge in the end.
Also, look how thick that is.
So it's actually a lot more basic than I thought.
Super basic. It doesn't look like normal charcoal, does it?
No, not really.
It looks more like glass than charcoal. I don't know what the little beads are. I'm pretty sure they're ceramic beads. So you can send these off. They reuse them. I imagine they reuse that. Crush it and then mold it back again.
Yeah, it's quite brittle. I think you could break it if you want.
Go on, try. Hit it with a hammer.
Oh, that's a good idea. There we go. Go on.
Slow motion.
Oh, yeah. That is terrible.
Wow. It's very lightweight.
Yeah, there's a lot of air in it.
It mustn't be taken lightly. Oh! We haven't done a taste test yet.
We should. Yeah, it's on its time.
Yeah.
Would you give that a...
What now?
Out of 10? Describe it to me.
Dry.
Dry? That's good. What about the taste itself? Now describe this experience.
Alright, I would describe that experience 1 out of 10.
Yeah, why is that?
Actually, no. I'll describe it as 5 out of 10.
Wow, that was a jump.
No, it's because I laughed. It brought joy to my life. So therefore, it's valuable.
It was a positive experience.
Yeah, it was
overall.
positive, yeah.
If more people looked at the world like this, what happens if you set fire to
It's a
it?
good idea.
Because see if this actually burns. That might tell us something about the composition.
Yeah, that's a really good. This is actually scientific.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, I'd like to know about this. Whether that is flammable. Like, is it heat resistant?
Yeah, it probably is heat resistant because objects that are full of air are often very heat resistant.
Like what?
Insulation. Is it hot?
It is.
Touch it.
That just disintegrated when I touched it.
Is it really hot?
Yeah, it's quite hot. Yeah.
Oh, me, that's hot, Seb.
So, yeah, it just cracked immediately. I would not say it's heat resistant in the slightest.
Also, freshwaterfiltercompany.com. If you're watching, send us a free one. But maybe I'll make a business email.
One-handed man.
Go on, Seb, you can do it. Oh.
So I wouldn't say it's flammable, although it's discoloured.
If you take charcoal, it's actually quite difficult to light it because normally
I'm thinking if you just had a pile of charcoal that you know is flammable and you blowtorched it the way we are,
it wouldn't catch a light.
Probably not.
It would glow while you're putting the blowtorch on it, but as soon as you take the blowtorch off, it'll just sort of go white and then go out.
Especially because it's this fine.
Right, so we've got some indoor lamp oil that we're going to pour over the charcoal. Get a nice load on.
So try just with a match?
If you can. I doubt it'll light though. Oh, there we go. It looks like the ceramics caught fire.
Yeah, it was covered in oil.
Okay.
So we'll wait for that to stop burning and then look at the charcoal mixture, see if it changes anything. Okay, that's now going more of a smoky colour. Oh, this is a good test for the
good test. The mask just catches. The mask just catches fire.
Yeah. It's hot, but not too hot.
Probably not combusting then.
I don't think it is.
Would you like to wash your hands with some water?
Oh, I will. So, analysis concluded. What have we learned? Could also be the other stuff that it's mixed with is dampening.
Or it could even be damp because to be fair, it's had a lot of water through it.
That is very true. Maybe if we threw it into a furnace, you'd get something then. Thank you for watching Science with Greg.
And leave a comment.
And like and subscribe. Ring the bell. Thank you.
Yes.